Hey guys, it's Jay. Thanks for clicking on this video. So we have the Solar Showcase BD right here. This is a spinner for your collectibles, action figures, Funko Pops, and it's currently on sale for $8.99 on Amazon.com. Packaging isn't the greatest. It's very cheap inside. There's nothing really in there. You have bubble wrap and you have the item. So that's the spinner right now, and inside is the actual solar powered this spinner. But unfortunately, it feels very cheap. It looks very cheap, and pretty much you take this plastic spinner table thing and you mount it on the actual main piece right here, and the logic is it's supposed to work. However, even though it had solar power vents on each side, I wasn't able to get it working unless I put a AA battery inside. So do keep that in mind. There's no instruction manuals with the box. You're literally just getting the item, and pretty much it's just common sense how you use it. I wasn't able to get to spin without putting a AA battery inside. So once I put the AA battery inside, everything started working fine. So let's do some tests with Funko Pops, collectibles, and whatnot, and see how well this item does for $8 and whether or not I recommend it. So without further ado, guys, let's start the test. Alright guys, welcome back. So we have our 5 contestants for this review. We're going to be spinning them on the spinner, and we're going to see how good each one of these do. So to our left right here, we have the Chef, which is going to be the regular size Funko. Then we have our Jiraiya, which is going to be our larger Funko. And then in the middle, we have the Heavy Mandalorian, which will serve as our regular Funko bobblehead variant. To our second to last right, we have the Gunmetal Halo for Master Chief, the heaviest, I believe, followed by Jiraiya, and then we have our Halo for Master Chief action figure. We're gonna see how good these spin. Let's find out. Right guys, so that was the spin test, and we are now gonna kind of give it a 1 out of 10 mark. I will give this a 7, basically because the build quality isn't that great. There is no instruction manuals inside. You just kind of have to put things together, and the price is decent. So overall, a 7 I think is fair. You can get it on Amazon with Prime shipping for under $10. It gets the job done. There are better spinners out there, guys, in the 20s, 30s, and $40 range, but under $10, this is pretty decent. It gets the job done, and if you guys are also, displaying it purely for Funko Pops, this gets the job done. Small action figures, this will get the job done as well. The only thing I don't recommend using this for is those big collectible statues. This thing will probably not be able to do it. And of course, there is noise associated with the heavier the weight. Thanks, guys.